Being lied to. Every day you're on the internet watching some influencer, some fitness guy, some self improvement guy. You are being lied to. They're lying to you with a straight face. You know, the devil doesn't come to you looking like a demon. He comes to you in a suit and tie, or that's how the saying goes. He comes to you with a bright smile, and that's how he tricks you. He makes himself seem like something he's not. He makes himself seem like a genuine person with great intentions. Like someone you can really trust. But in reality, he just wants something from you. He wants your money, he wants your time, your attention. If you're a chick, he wants some pussy. And that's just how it is. That's life, baby. Now, it's your job to start using your brain. You need to be able to identify people in your life or people you're watching, consuming. You need to be able to identify when you're in the presence of a demon, of a liar, a manipulator. Because, hey, it's not hard if you've got a brain. For example, recently Hamza kind of got exposed by his old best friend, right? Anyways, I was just scrolling on YouTube and I saw him write kind of like, I don't know what you call it, like a little topic page on YouTube where it's like, he wrote something like, discuss the drama here. And then I read a comment from Hamza in that exact post admitting that he was on TRT. Now, listen, he said in the post, like, oh, it was because kids watch me and I don't want kids getting into it. Like, yeah, bullshit. I remember watching a video from that guy. I don't remember when, but it was how I got my testosterone from 400 decibels to 1,500 decibels per milliliter, whatever the shit units are. Naturally, he said naturally. He made a video on how to do it naturally. Meanwhile, the entire time the dude's been on TRT, it's obvious. It's obvious. Like, come on, bruh. Use your brain. Learn how to identify these people. It's obvious to me. This dude's saying is natural. Bruh, it's not hard to identify someone who's not natural. They don't look like that. You don't get like that naturally. Especially at his age. Are there some genetic freaks? Maybe. But everyone you see in sport at a high level, in online influencer fitness space is roided. That's how they profit. Come on, bruh. Get real. Get into reality. You see, people want to be sold a dream. They want to be sold a dream that isn't real. They have faith in this dream. Oh, I'm gonna get big, muscular, lean like Hamza. The dude sells a fitness program on how to get jacked and how to get your dream body. But it's just a dream. It's not based in reality. The dude is taking drugs. Sorry, not drugs, hormones. He's taking test. And quite frankly, test is probably a cover. Because if you've seen him, he's probably dabbled with some tren, some Super Bowl, I don't know, what's another one? Androgen, blah, 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 blah. You know how it is. He lived in Thailand. He's lived in Bali. Like, it's not. I can go to a pharmacist right now and get some tren. That's how easy it is. You can go buy needles. You can go buy insulin needles. They're in every store for like $1. You can go to your pharmacist out here. Ask them to give you a list of drugs. Just say, hey, I want the bodybuilder shit, and they'll give you a list, and you point it out, and it's probably like 20 quid. Oh, I don't know if it's a week, or every 2 weeks, or a month, but you can buy a vial for 20 quid. I don't know how long it lasts you. I've never researched it or even been to the pharmacy to ask about it, but I know for sure, it's out here in the pharmacies, the official pharmacies. You don't need a prescription. Everyone does it, okay? Especially online. So this guy has been lying to you about his fitness. I know in one of the videos he mentioned that like Hamza was just so low energy, and like he'd just go to the gym and he'd like be on the sofa all day, like being super low energy. Yeah, that's what kind of happens when you rely on fake hormones to build muscle. Meanwhile, you have no idea how to properly build nutrition, like feed your body. Like he just thinks, oh, just meat and eggs. I think that's all he fucking does. Meat and eggs, man. Vegetables are poison, fruits are poison. Not too many fruits. You don't want too many fruits, that shit's poisonous. Like, yeah, you're retarded, mate. No wonder you feel low energy. Like, our bodies are basically designed for high carb. We're basically somewhat frutivores. That's what we are. We are designed for high carb diets. But this dude's like, nah, mate, steak for dinner, steak for lunch, steak for breakfast, I'll have some eggs, mate. Yeah, 12 eggs. Oh, all fried in seed oils, mate. Oh, why do I feel like shit? Give me some test. You know, that's this guy. And then, imagine what else he's lying about. All the self-improvement shit. I doubt it, mate. You think that dude was journaling? Oh, I cured my depression from journaling. I cured my depression because I meditate. Oh, you don't meditate every day? You're a fucking loser, dude. Meanwhile, he can't even smoke weed without getting addicted. I read, if he's even near it, he's gonna be on that sofa for 2 weeks straight smoking. Listen, mate. I got some left over. Just a little bit. You know how long that's been sitting next to me on my cabinet? About 4 months. I could probably smoke a little bit of that. There's not a lot in it, but like, come on, bro, I could get hit a few hits out of that. I've not smoked any for about at least 4 months. At least. I'm in Thailand, so I might dabble, but you know, I don't have to hide it. I could be like, no, I've been clean for 6 months and I don't have any near me. I know. I don't get addicted. Well, I did during COVID, but I don't genuinely get addicted. On top of that, I don't have to pretend like I do. You know? If you're real, you can be like, hey, yeah, I fucked up. Yeah, you know, yeah, sometimes I smoke weed, but people who act perfect are never perfect. They are the opposite. They are manipulative. They're wanting something from you. Why would you act perfect? The dude acts like a messiah. And not just Hamza, like, I've mainly based it off Hamza for a little bit of drama, but this is everyone, mate. Everyone. The finance people, oh, become a forex bro, dude. Look at my numbers. You know. I think some of the ecom guys are legit, but like even that, like the drop shippers, they're milking it. You got like the crypto guys. Listen, I'm a crypto guy too, bro. I know how it is. We're killing it, and we're broke. That's it. We're bipolar. Our bank accounts are bipolar. You know, there's no dream to sell here. That's the truth. And then you got your fitness guys, your Hamzas, your Greg Grusets, your Trend Twins. I guess they're pretty open about it. But you think Greg's Natty? Hell no. That dude's at least on TRT. Probably a high dose. Probably there's a cycle here and there. All to sell the supplements. Guess how much money they're making, mate? Let me put it this way. A new YouTuber, Jack, the CEO of Test. Listen, I don't know much about the guy. I don't think he's Natty because, you know, Hamza and Jack met in Thailand and that's when he beefed up. So, I doubt it. That being said, that guy made a course. It was the Raise Your Test to Natural course or something like that. I don't remember the full name, but it had a picture of a gorilla. I clicked on the website once. And that dude's making 10k a month as a fairly new YouTuber. First of all, it's awesome. I love seeing people win. What I don't like seeing is people lying. People lying to you on the internet. Saying shit that just isn't real. Selling you fake dreams. Fake dreams aren't real, bro. They're fake. They're delusional. But they sell. So if you want someone fucking real with you, hit like, hit subscribe, comment down below. And hey, it'll be cool to have you around. There's not too many of us just yet, but we're growing. We're growing, boys. Let's go.